isPrint in C++ sees if a character is a printable character. Let's set up some code so you can see the functionality of isPrint. We will have a char array of 3 characters, so chars, square brackets, 3 equals the array containing A, B, and new line. Next, we will loop over these characters for char C :chars, an enhanced for loop. On each run of the loop, we will see if the given char is printable. So if isPrint of C. Inside the if statement, we will insert to see out that the character is printable. If you want even more fine-grained detail, the printable characters are characters whose ASCII values are in the inclusive range of 32 to 126. Like and subscribe to learn more.